How to fix Instagram language problem. So if you want to fix your Instagram language problem, then first let's open up Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, you need to simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right. Tap on your profile and then go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon. And here you will have settings and activity, right? So here what you need to do is simply go for the search bar, which is on the upper side of your screen, and then search for language. Once you've searched, here you will have your app language, right? So for now I have chosen my app language as English, and if you want to change that, then you can simply choose any other language that you would like to change, or you can simply go back. If this is not working with you and if you're facing a problem with the language, then you can simply remove that, and then you can go for your Play Store or your App Store. Go for the search bar, which is on the upper side, and search for Instagram. Here you will have your Instagram application, right? So if you have not updated your application and if you have an update option, then simply tap on update. And once you update your Instagram application, then your problem will be fixed, because if you have not updated, then you might find some kind of problems. Once you've updated, now you will find the language option and then you can change your language. And once you've updated, you need to simply go back and open up your tap and hold on to your Instagram application, and then go for app info and go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache. And once you tap on clear cache, your cache will be cleared and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Instagram language problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.